Morning Albert, morning track fans. Welcome to another edition of Top Tips. Here we go. What we're going to do is learn how to fix our Scalextrics or slot cars with glue. The time before we used the soldering iron, which is good, but you might not have one. You can get glue at the local shop. So here we go. We've got the Cadillac. He's in bad shape. This one, he's come off here. We've lost this piece. So what we're going to do is we could just put him in there, but we're going to need to stick him in there because when we're going fast and the wind comes, we need to take it off. So quite simply, take your glue, the smallest amount. You probably don't need to squeeze, okay, because the glue will normally just pull itself out of the hole. Okay, that's it. And then nice and easy does it. So a little wiggle around for the glue to stick, and that is now glued in. Then we have a bigger challenge on hand. We've got to fix this. So same difference, a bit of glue down the side. There you go. Again, it's just pulling itself out, and this time you just want it to go a little bit stickier. So rather than sticking it straight on, you want to tack it up a bit. There you go, that should be enough. And then just conjoin them together. Yep, it's as simple as that. So I'm going to let gravity do the trick here. Oh, my finger is stuck to it. Classic. There. I'm going to leave that there to dry. Welcome back, track fans. So we've let the glue dry. I've pulled back the blind in here as well, so we've got a bit of different lighting. Let's have a closer look. So you can see here where we glued it, and that's doing well. There's nothing happening there. And then of course you can see this bit which we glued in as well. That seems solid enough. Nicely done. There's not that many residual marks. There you go, track fans.